All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
A Pakistani defense analyst has sparked debate by suggesting that India is developing a long-range intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, with the potential to target Western countries. Professor Dr. Zafar Nawaz Jaspal of Quaid-i-Azam University in Islamabad claims that the alleged Surya ICBM could have a range of 10,000 to 12,000 kilometers, bringing even the United States within striking distance. Jaspal's comments, made to World Echo News, highlight anxieties in Pakistan about India's growing missile capabilities. He argues that the development of such a missile should be of greater concern to the West and Russia than to Islamabad, as current Indian missiles can already reach any point in Pakistan. However, India's Defence Research and Development Organization, DRDO, has consistently denied the existence of any Surya ICBM project. DRDO officials maintain that India's missile program focuses on regional deterrence and falls within its strategic needs. They emphasize that there are no plans to develop an ICBM with a range exceeding that of the Agni series. India's Agniveer, with a range of 5,500 to 6,000 kilometers, is currently the country's most advanced missile. Designed primarily to address perceived threats from China, it can reach targets across most of Asia and parts of Europe. While a Surya missile would represent a significant leap in India's capabilities, the DRDO has repeatedly dismissed such speculation. The Surya concept appears to stem from unconfirmed reports and discussions within defense circles, lacking any official confirmation from the Indian government. India maintains a no-first-use nuclear policy and emphasizes its commitment to a credible minimum deterrent rather than a global strike capability. Currently, India seems to be prioritizing advancements in other areas, such as indigenous ballistic missile defense systems and modernizing its existing missile arsenal. The focus remains on addressing regional security challenges rather than extending its missile reach to Western nations.